Yes, guys. So welcome back. We are going to continue the session. चलो. So overwatering क्या होता है जब ज्यादा पानी देते हैं जब overwatering करते हो overwatering makes the land saline and fallow. This is seen especially in the parts where water is available in plenty as for example near dams or on river banks. समजा तर ज्या ठिकाणी जास्त पाणी दिलं आपण त्या ठिकाणी काय होतं की ती जागा ती सलाईन बनते त्या ठिकाणी सलाईन म्हणजे काय तर खारट जागा बनते आणि द लँड इज नॉट युजफुल फॉर द crop or field for cropping. ठीक है. If land becomes saline and fallow, it has to be tested to find out which substances it lacks. The fertility can be restored. Fertility can be restored. How can we restore the fertility, guys? This can be restored by adding these substances. It is costly and time-consuming procedure. Therefore, it is better to avoid excessive use of fertilizers and water. तर पाणी जास्त वापरायचंच नाही आपल्याला आणि फर्टिलायझर्स का भी ज्यादा यूज करना नहीं है आपको समझा गाइस सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड वाटर इन मोर क्वांटिटी स्प्रेइंग इंसेक्टिसाइड ये क्या है इंसेक्टिसाइड स्प्रे कर रहा है देखो दिस पर्सन इज स्प्रेइंग इंसेक्टिसाइड व्हाई इट इज डन क्यों कहते हैं ऐसा का बरं असं करतात बघा कधी कधी धान्याला कीड लागण्याची शक्यता असते ती लागू नये म्हणून त्याला कीटकनाशक फवारतात देर आर सम पेस्ट दे हार्म द क्रॉप देयरफॉर वी रिक्वायर pesticides. So protection of crops. See here, diseases and pest attacks can damage crops in the field. As a remedy, insecticides and pesticides are sprayed on crops or certain chemicals are rubbed on the seeds before sowing. On the seeds before sowing. Getting guys? So what happens? Uh, huh. Yes. So what happens? Diseases and pest attacks can damage crops. They can damage crops in the field. So what happens? तो याच्यासाठी आपण काय करतो? We spray insecticides. Then we store the grain. Store कसं करतो आपण? Storing the harvested crop safely is an also important step. इथे तुम्हाला नेम लिव्ह दिसतं बघा कडुलिंबाची पानं दिसतं तुम्हाला बघा. तर स्टोर कसं करतो आपण? How can we store guys? So what are the steps? What are the steps? The grain is dried well in the sun and filled in sacks. The sacks are then stocked in the house or after selling in warehouses or shops. Stored grains can get damaged in two ways. Mice, rats, insect can spoil the grain or to a great extent. Also, if the grain is stored in a closed and damp space, it catches fungus and becomes unfit for eating. बघा वेअरहाऊस मध्ये ते असे स्टोअर केलेले असतात. Then to prevent such damage, what happens? Pest chemicals are sprayed at the places of storage or all around it. Neem leaves are mixed with the grain. Some protective chemicals that can be mixed with the grain are also available in the market. The pest smell repels insect. Storage places are always kept dry and air it to prevent fungus formation. To prevent fungus formation. Getting guys? Next thing is that देखो क्या होता है तो we should prevent the एक second guys. हाँ चलो
मधु को मच्छी
no problem. हाँ now देखो आगे क्या है food storage and conservation of environment. Like humans, other living things also store food. Each of them has a different ways of doing it. Insect like ants store food. Bees collect nectar from flowers and store it in the honeycomb in the form of honey. Squirrels store seeds because these animals store food. It is available to them when they need it. तुम्हाला माहित असेल की बिया हे जे प्राणी असतात हे सगळं काय करतात अन्न साठवून ठेवत असतात तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की नाही अन्न साठवून ठेवतात बघा बी हाईव्स हे बघा सगळं असं साठवून ठेवत असतात so all the time plants are busy producing the food they need. Even so, there are some plants that store food. You are familiar with bulbs of plants such as onions. आवाज का रे मदत करतं कोणीतरी असं करू नका बाळांनो प्लीज onions, garlic, tubers such as potatoes, ginger, they are all the parts of the stem of the plants. Radishes, sweet potatoes, beetroots are the roots of their plants. These plants store food in their stems or roots. We too, देखो we too आपण सुद्धा अन्न साठवून ठेवतो आपल्या घरामध्ये. We too, yes, store food in our house according to our need. जसं पाहिजे तेवढं आपण अन्न ठेवतो. In India, due to the improved methods of cultivation, we now produce plenty of food grains. The production exceeds the demand. The surplus food grain is stored in the huge warehouses. Sometimes the production is affected by disasters such as flood, drought, or cyclone or hailstorm. At such times, the stored for surplus grain can be used for the people. It can also be used to for people displaced due to disasters like earthquake. Getting तर अशा प्रकारे हे अन्न आपण वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी वापरू शकतो. Then green revolution. काय बघा green revolution? What is green revolution, guys? Today, our country is self-reliant as far as production of food grains is concerned. We are also able to export the surplus food. The tremendous increase in food grain production in our country was achieved during the Green Revolution. It was brought about by the joint efforts of scientists, people working for the spread of science and farmers. The credit for the research that led to the improvement in the shade of wheat and rice that resulted in the green revolution in India goes to डॉक्टर एम एस स्वामीनाथन. देखो ये पर्सन है, इसके वजह से हमें ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन हमारे कंट्री में हुआ है. गेटिंग गाइस. चलो आगे जाएंगे. Then what is food security, guys? Food is a basic need. Many countries have made laws to ensure that every person gets sufficient food according to their need. These laws are known as food security law. In 2013, our country has too enacted a food security law. It has made it possible to fight ills like malnutrition, starvation, deaths due to hunger.
Yes, sir.
Yes. चलो आगे जाएंगे, guys. Let's see ahead.
Yes.
Agriculture assistance program. What is agricultural assistance program, guys? So through this program, farmers are given proper information and guidance about the latest technology, irrigation facilities, improved seeds, use of fertilizers and pesticides, etc. They can also get weather forecast and other agriculture related information from these assistance centers. तो फार्मरला हे सगळ्या गोष्टी माहिती पोहोचवतात. कोणकोणती माहिती पुरवतात फार्मर्सला ते बघा कोणती माहिती असते त्यासाठी, जसं की लेटेस्ट टेक्नॉलॉजी कोणती आहे, इरिगेशन फॅसिलिटी कोणकोणत्या आहेत, इम्प्रूव्ड सीड्स कोणते नवीन आलेले आहेत, फर्टिलायझर्स कसे वापरायचे, किती वापरायचं, पेस्टिसाइड कोणते वापरायचे. प्रत्येकाचे पेस्टिसाइड वेगळे असतात, प्रत्येकाचे फर्टिलायझर्स वेगळे असतात. गेटिंग. कधी 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 तुम्हाला फोरकास्ट, वेदर फोरकास्ट असतो म्हणजे हवामानाचा अंदाज येतो. कधी पाऊस पडेल, पाऊस पडेल,
सर
कधी ऊन
मैंने
पडेल.
अपनी दादी की खेती में काम किया था.
Yes, very good. So this way, baga. This time, so a farmer asking for information from the agriculture assistance center. In addition, what happens, guys? Agriculture schools have been also started for farmers. Members of farmers' family can learn about new technology at these schools. Agriculture produce marketing committees, APMCs hold exhibition too for farmers. The agriculture department of this government, agriculture universities, televisions, newspapers, and various periodicals.
सर.
बोल बड़ा. Okay, so थोडं डिस्टर्ब होतं मध्ये मध्ये. So there are many periodicals. Now it is possible for all farmers to use these modern methods to for increased production. The whole country benefits from these efforts. Getting, guys, the whole country benefits from these efforts. There is one more term given to you, और एक term आपको दिया देखो, that is organic farming. काय तुम्हाला organic farming is one more new term is given to you, guys. So what is that? Let's see. Farming that relies on natural or organic materials is called organic farming. It is a form of traditional agriculture. In this method, the nutritive substances in the soil are retained. The organic pesticides used in this method have no harmful effects on those who eat the produce. The grain grown by this method is nutritious and also good to taste. That is why farmers have begun to opt for organic farming methods. Getting, guys? Organic farming involves use of manure obtained from plants and animals. This manure consists of fish and bone meals, animal excreta, as well as decomposed remains of plants and animals. Getting? तो ये ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग है, इसी वजह से हमको वी आर नॉट यूजिंग, वी आर और एवरी जो भी नेचुरल है वो हम यूज करते हैं यहाँ पे, समझा? राइट. So in this method, in this lesson, what we have learned and what we should remember, guys. Let's see here. Crops should be watered only as much as necessary. जेवढं पाहिजे तेवढंच पाणी द्यायचं. Then care must be taken when using chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Their overuse should be avoided. तो पानी आणि पेस्टिसाइड फर्टिलाइजर जितना यूज करना है उसका आपको पता चाहिए कि कितना यूज करना है, जास्त वापरायचं नाही. Then what we learned in this lesson, guys, actually what we learned, there are two main seasons of agriculture, Kharif and Rabi. Then using improved methods of farming leads to an increase in production. And third, farmer can get information about modern agriculture technology through agriculture assistance program, that is AAP, up agriculture assistance program. Getting, guys? चलो आगे जाएंगे. Let's see what is given to you. Some questions and answers are given to you. हम क्वेश्चन आंसर चले स्टार्ट करेंगे. पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सामने दिख रहा है इसलिए मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पहले स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. किसी को आंसर आता है तो यू कैन शेयर योर आंसर. आप आंसर मुझे बता सकते हो. चलो, सेल्फ टेल मी द आंसर. किसको आता है आंसर? सो ग्रेन स्टोर्ड इन डैम प्लेस. सो डैम प्लेस में होता है तो क्या होता है? देयर इज अ फंगस अटैक. क्या होता है यहाँ पे? फंगस अटैक. स्टोर ग्रेन स्टोर्ड इन ड्राई एयर. ड्राई एयर कहते हैं तो फंगस अटैक्स नहीं हो पाता है. सो देयर इज अ प्रिवेंशन फ्रॉम द फंगस अटैक. Third, adding proper chemicals to the stored grains. What happens? This it prevents insect infestation. Getting? ठीक है, दैट इज द आंसर. देखो ये आंसर आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का. ठीक है, वीडियो देख लो, आंसर मिल जाएगा आपको. नेक्स्ट देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हियर. Find and correct the statement. Find and correct the incorrect statement. Question number 1. There is only one method of farming. वन मेथड है क्या बेटा बच्चा बटी? नो. सो ये क्या होगा आपका? इनकरेक्ट. हे का तुमचं इनकरेक्ट आहे. देर आर टू मेथड्स ऑफ फार्मिंग. Okay, sorry, not only two, there are many methods of farming. Not only two, there are many methods of farming. The second, India is an agriculture country. ये आपका correct है तो इसको ये it is already correct. Second, use of improved seeds does not lead to higher yield. False. So ये आपका क्या होता है? It does lead to seeds does lead to higher yield. Getting सबको समझ में आ रहा है बच्चा बेटी? चलो आगे जाएंगे. देर आर सम क्वेश्चंस. ये थोड़े क्वेश्चंस है, अगर आपके पास आंसर है यू कैन शेयर दिस आंसर. थोड़े से बड़े क्वेश्चंस है, डोंट वरी. चलो